Good morning. Welcome to Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. It is Try It Tuesday. The end of the quarter is on Friday, January 22nd. So this is the last week to meet those AR goals for the quarter. So I know some of you have done a great job with your AR, and some of you still have a little bit of time that you need to use to work on meeting those goals. So this is our last week. Let's work hard and push through and see if we can't meet those goals. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now a moment of silence. Our breakfast today may be sausage biscuit, and lunch barbecue fajita with tater tots. Our breakfast tomorrow, ham and cheese croissant, and our lunch taco salad. Today's only birthday we have is Drayden Williams. Happy birthday, Drayden. We have a couple of important dates coming up. Tomorrow is extended PE for PD with Candace Tracy. That's for the teachers. Next Monday begins our iReady second diagnostic window. So this week we are talking with our students about what our goals are for that second diagnostic and how we are going to show that we have learned so much and we are doing our absolute very best on our iReady diagnostic. So we are so excited to see the gains that these students are going to be making from their first diagnostic to their second diagnostic. So get excited about getting to show what you know. Next Thursday, January 28th, we have PST, which was moved from Wednesday. We have a couple of announcements. The library got a large shipment of beautiful new library books. They are fantastic. As students, when you are looking to see some of the new books, you can find them when you search Destiny Discover. You're just going to scroll down and look at that section that says recently added, and that'll be showing you some of the new books. The procedure for holding books is that you can only put 2 books on hold at a time, and you must take AR test on the books that you check out. Make sure that the books that you are checking out and that you're putting on hold are on your level. There are frequent requests for books that are really low below people's level, and we want to make sure that we are reading books that are just right and challenging our little brains. That's it for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.